Wanna go on, brother? Today is the day we go fishing and catch ourselves a big, big fish. No small fry for us. We're gonna reel in a monster from the deep. Something to make the whole community talk. This is the life, eh? No man a complain or a ball about money. Just peace, ja. Oh, shit. Boy, a 3 fish we a yam tonight. Me have to drop one off for the baby mother though. Me not see her in a long time. I hope she move. Rascal, my baby mother make me take the picnic them. Say she go and get banana. But me not think she coming back home tonight, man. Me lost the baby. Oh, me jaw lost the baby. Baby mother is going to pull me dreadlocks for this. No, sir. That woman, they just take the baby and go and never even tell me. Me have to run all around this green jungle like a madman, you hear me?